Hi Wellham fam, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And I have got a hyacinth to make.
Yeah, hey.
So I haven't done ones from this company before. I got it originally from AliExpress. I can't tell you the price because it was a long time ago. So let's have a look, see. Right. So all importantly, instructions. And I do actually recommend that you check and see that they do have paper instructions.
So,
I've got
some of them
a horrible
PDF.
feeling that some of them don't. Right, so we've got 2 bags with the bits in here.
Yeah.
Right, just to let you know, they do have different flower designs. Not all of them are available, but some of them are. And the thing that's really unusual about this is what the flowers are. So guys, I'm going to take pictures because there's no point in doing small videos on this. So check out the picture of the builds as it goes on, and I'll speak to you at the end. Right guys, so 1 hour 20 minutes. It didn't take long, but it was really fun to put together. Ta-da!
I love the heart at the bottom.
That was so fiddly, it kept flying off. I like the kissing frogs.
Kissing frogs?
Yeah, when I turn it round to the front again. Kissing frogs.
Oh, yes. Kissing frogs.
So cute. So that's a nice little one to add to my plant collection. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, ring the little bell. You can give us a thumbs up, a thumbs down, or one of them. But seriously, that is lovely. I mean, even if you're not into flowers, do you know what I mean? But yeah. So, let us know what you guys think. As always, my lovelies, be different. A very merry on hoo-hoo. And Hyacinth, very gentle little boot.